What's up, guys? Here's a test of the Earthquake PA-2300 I did back in 2012 and just never posted it. This is pre-amp dyno. Just wanted to show you guys a test here. This amp looked a lot like the HiFonics Zeus 7 series, and although a lot of people think this is a Z design amp, it is not. So just wanted to show you a quick test at 4 ohm stereo and 4 ohms mono. So sit back and enjoy the test. What's up, guys? Big D Wiz, oldschoolstereo.com. As you can see, we are starting an earthquake with the Earthquake PA-2300 here on the bench. We're running it right now just to warm it up. Then we're going to do a test at 4 ohms stereo and also 4 ohms mono. So hang around and let's see what she does. One thing I wanted to say real quick before the test, these connectors here are unbelievably small. I believe they're for 6 gauge because the 8 gauge fits in there pretty easily, but the 4 gauge just, I had to shave it way down to fit it in there. And the speaker terminals also are very small. I don't think you can fit anything larger than 12 gauge if you're lucky. So anyway, that'll be a little bit of a challenge here for our test because I have 8 gauge wire for my speakers and I use 4 gauge for the inputs, but we made it work, and hopefully that doesn't hinder the test at all. But we'll warm the amp up a little bit more and we'll come back and we'll see what she does. Alright, we've warmed up the Earthquake with some music, so let's go ahead and hit the 40 hertz test tone with the DD1 and the RMS voltmeter here, and let's see what kind of power we get. It's like 35.1. And here's the calculation. 35.1 volts at 4 ohms resistance is 308 watts. Very nice, 308 watts per channel. Let's try 4 ohms mono. Alright, I don't recommend doing this, but I kept blowing 100 amp fuses when I'm trying to do the 4 ohm test, so each of the 4 gauge leads that come off my power supplies is fused by 100 amps, so that's a 200 amp total fuse. But I need like a 120 or 150 amp fuse, which I don't have, so I'm just going to chance it, be careful, and I'm going to test it at 4 ohms mono, and let's see what we can do here. 40 hertz test tone. Watch the DD1 detect the 40 hertz. Looks like 56. We'll say 56.0. And we're pulling 139 amps. So let's do the calculation and see how many watts that is. Alright, there we go, 56.1 volts at 4 ohms gives us 787 watts. Well, not quite the 1150 watts that Earthquake said, but still impressive for the size of the amp, Class AB. So there you have it, the Earthquake PA-2300. This is Big D Wiz, oldschoolstereo.com. I'm out of here.